Good morning, welcome back to my channel. This week I am doing a week in my life video. As you guys can probably already tell, I am so sorry I look really rough right now. Or actually I'm not sorry, because this is real life and I don't always have a full face of makeup or my hair done, so there's that. I'm doing this awkward angle because my pop socket broke, so it's really hard for me to prop my phone up on stuff. I am getting ready to go on a run right now, which I'm so excited. I haven't done that forever. I used to really enjoy running. It was a great stress reliever for me, and as you guys are aware, there's a lot of stress in my life right now, so I kind of thought maybe I should start this back up again. And I guess I'll show you guys a quick little outfit of the day, even though, trust me, it ain't nothing special, but I'll show you guys anyway. Okay, so this is my outfit for running. I don't know why I'm showing you guys this because none of this stuff is interesting, but this is reality here. I'm wearing a Lana Del Rey t-shirt that I got at a concert last year. That was amazing. I literally was obsessed with her in high school and college, and last year was the first time I've ever seen her live, and it was amazing. And these, I'm not gonna lie, these are like Walmart leggings that I've had for like 2 years, but they're just really stretchy and really comfortable, and I like the blue color because it's a little pop. And I'm wearing my Wookiee socks because I don't have my tennis shoes on yet. But I'm going to put my hair up, my tennis shoes on, and I'm gonna go for a run. The world's worst vlogger here. I just realized I totally forgot to record any of my grocery trip as well as the Target haul, so sorry about that. I am here with my greasy hair because that run killed me earlier. I'm doing the couch to 5K, and like, please let me know if any of you guys have ever done it before, but it is freaking hard. And today was week 1, day 1, so it was like the 30 minutes total, and then also like the what was it, like the cycling off. I'm sure you guys have heard of it, but I did that because today was just so freaking nice outside. And yeah, I've been home for a little bit. I had a advisor appointment to schedule my next class that starts December 9th. I've decided to skip this current little mini semester because the school that I go to, it's all online, and they do 8-week classes, 8-week semesters, so everything's super fast paced, and literally like every assignment, every minute counts because it's a lot crammed in 8 weeks. And she gave me the option. She was like, I can get you into the semester right now, but you're gonna miss like the first 4 days of class, and since each week is one module, and within that module there's like quizzes, tests, papers, discussion posts, like all of that stuff, and I just didn't feel comfortable doing that because I don't want to start off like my first real class dedicated to my new major, the marketing stuff, because it'll be intro to marketing. I didn't want to start off my first week of that class behind. I wanted to set myself up for success and wait, so my next little mini semester starts in the next 8 weeks, that will be December 9th. I decided to do that, and also it works out kind of perfectly because my dad had his first cyberknife treatment last Friday, and he's gonna be really tired for the next few weeks, they said, and we're gonna wean him off his steroids, which that's gonna be interesting because he's been on them for so long because of the swelling. So hopefully he doesn't get sicker, and once he's weaned off from his steroids, he's gonna start immunotherapy, which is not chemo, thank God, but still will be traveling a lot to the hospital that is doing all of this for us, which is an hour away from where I live. and an hour and 15 minutes away from my dad. So it'll be multiple times a week for like I think an hour or 30 minutes each session. And that will be coming up in the next few weeks. So about the time he'll be done with immunotherapy, that will be when my classes start. So that'll be nice. I'm gonna get a little bit of a break, kind of, sort of, from at least one aspect of my life, which is nice. So maybe I'll have more time for YouTube coming up, which it looks like it will be, because I'm gonna have like 8 weeks off from school. So yeah, that is everything that I did today. But I'm going over to my dad's tomorrow to hang out with him and bring him some leftovers. Been talking too long, so I'm gonna go and warm up my dinner. I went Monday and I wish I'd vlogged then, but I totally forgot. So I think I got a few clips of like Bootsy and stuff. Bootsy is my dad's cat. I got some cute clips of her, but I didn't really get any clips of my dad because I didn't want to put him on camera unless he felt comfortable. But I went over there and hung out for a little bit, for a few hours, and took him some leftovers that I made the night before last. On the way home right now, it's about 6 o'clock. Yeah, I'm gonna head home, fold some laundry, try to clean up a little bit around the house, and then get dinner started. It's been a pretty busy day, and I think that's why I haven't vlogged anything. I recorded 2 videos today. 2. I have never done that before. I recorded 2 videos today. I recorded my Shein haul, and I recorded my fall decor haul. So those should be going up on my channel soon. They'll probably be up before this week in my life. And yeah, that's pretty much what my day consisted of. And tonight, I think we're just gonna chill. Jordan, my husband, said he's really tired, so he's probably not gonna be working really late tonight, which that's why he wasn't in the vlog last night. It's because he worked till like 8 o'clock, 8:30, something like that, which is typical, especially right now because he's working on a huge assignment for school. Like I said, I'm about to go home, do some laundry, cook some dinner, and just hang out with my hubby and my Quincy boy. It's been a busy day. Tomorrow is going to be another busy day. I have a doctor's appointment tomorrow, and I'm going to try to edit these videos to at least have one of them up. And then Friday night, we are going to our first Carolina Hurricanes game of the season. My father-in-law gets season tickets because he's a huge Carolina Hurricane fan. And I'll see you guys when I get to the house. Back again with another awkward angle here. Sorry, like I said, don't have anything to put my phone on. So I am getting ready to cook dinner, and I thought I would just check in with you guys. You guys just saw me fold a ton of laundry, and I'm ashamed. It's like 7:30. It's really late, but life, guys, life happens. So tonight I'm making baked sweet potatoes, broccoli, and steak bites. So yeah, that's what I'm about to do. I am still wearing my new favorite sweatshirt. I literally am obsessed with this thing. And I'm also super sore. I didn't tell you guys this today. I don't think I did. I am so freaking sore. My core is sore. My legs are sore. It's a good sore, but still. I mean, it still hurts, you know? So, yeah, I'm going to go ahead and start cooking dinner.
Zig, 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 zig.